guys, I've put together 5 things that you should do for £10 or less near Glasgow Uni. The first place we're going to is the Botanic Gardens. It's on Great Western Road. It's a really beautiful place that you can go grab some food with your friends, and yeah, it's completely free, and it's just a really cool place to go and look at, like, you know, plants from all around the world and other things. So
a great place to read as well.
Yeah. So if you like peace and quiet, pretty places, and nature, this is the perfect place to go.
So guys, Hillhead Book Club, timers are welcome, and you can get a meal here, lunch or dinner for less than £10. Heidi.
So the next stop is Scotland's best ice cream parlour, which is Crollas. It's on Byres Road, and you can get all of this for £5. It's worth it. Next stop is this little cinema on Ashton Lane. It is well cute and really cool on the inside. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to take videos on the inside of the cinema, but it is, prices are usually like £6 if it's before 5 PM. It's worth it, honestly. There's like sofas and everything in there. It's really cool.
She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is
So if you're looking for a cheeky wee drink or a cheap night out, Vodka Wodka is the place to go. It's on Ashton Lane.
So there you have it, folks. 10 things that you can do in Glasgow for under a tenner.
Thanks for watching.